Hello and thank you for tuning in to Seyyah Ressam, your personal guide through the ever-expanding world of technology. In this episode, we'll put a hotly anticipated device through real-world tests to see if it lives up to its hype. After 3 long years since the WH-1000XM5, Sony is back with a highly anticipated upgrade, the WH-1000XM6. With a redesigned foldable body, cutting-edge noise cancelling, and studio-level sound tuning, this latest flagship headset proves that Sony still reigns supreme in the premium wireless headphone market. At around $455, the WH-1000XM6 packs serious improvements in design, performance, and user experience. Unboxing experience: sleek, thoughtful packaging. Sony continues its eco-conscious approach with the WH-1000XM6 packaging. While the outer box maintains its minimal, white design, the carrying case inside has been completely redesigned. Unlike the bulky case of the XM5, this new version is more compact, using a magnetic flap instead of a zip. The matte texture and strong magnetic lock add a satisfying premium feel while ensuring security during transport. Inside, accessories are neatly organized. The headphones take center stage, alongside a 30cm USB-C charging cable, which is just the right length, long enough to be practical without becoming a tangled mess. Design: foldable, lightweight, and comfort-focused. Sony has wisely brought back the foldable design from the XM4, making storage and portability much easier compared to the non-foldable XM5. The new hinges, made with advanced metal injection molding, feel durable and smooth. When folded, the headphones click securely into place and fit snugly into the case without pressure or warping. At 254 grams, they are lighter than most rivals, such as the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra or Sennheiser Momentum 4. Even after wearing them for 34 hours straight, there's no noticeable fatigue or discomfort. The redesigned headband is 20% wider and uses premium, vegan leather with soft memory foam that conforms to your head for even weight distribution. The 8-step adjustable headband ensures a good fit for all users. The oval-shaped earcups use high-quality protein leather, which feels smooth and breathable, even in humid conditions. Sony also refined the controls. The right earcup features a 15% larger touch panel with a subtle, textured finish, making gesture control more accurate. The left cup houses physical buttons, an LED status light, and a USB-C port. Noise cancellation and smart features QN3 processor takes over. The highlight of the WH-1000XM6 is the all-new HD noise cancelling processor QN3, which is 7x faster than the QN1 in the previous model, while also being 20% more energy efficient. This powers a new 12-microphone system, 6 per side, including 4 external and 2 internal mics per earcup. With AI-powered beamforming, your voice is isolated clearly, even in noisy environments. Noise cancellation is 20–30% more effective than XM5, particularly with low-frequency hums like engines or AC units. The real-time adaptive NC optimizer intelligently adjusts noise cancellation based on your environment, whether you're walking, stationary, or in transit. It even distinguishes between steady and sudden noise and adapts accordingly. Sony introduces scene-based listening, an AI-driven feature that recognizes your activity and automatically optimizes noise cancellation and audio profiles for the moment. This is seamless and genuinely useful in everyday scenarios. Audio quality: studio caliber sound. Sound quality on the WH-1000XM6 is a significant leap forward. Sony worked with top-tier mastering studios like Sterling Sound NYC, Battery Studios, London, and Coast Mastering California to fine-tune the sound signature. The 30mm carbon fiber composite drivers are newly developed, offering a refined audio profile across all frequencies. Bass is deep and punchy yet well-controlled. Mids are warm and natural, especially in vocals and acoustic instruments. Treble is crisp and detailed without being harsh. The addition of 360 reality audio upmix for cinema enhances stereo sound into immersive surround when watching films. Paired with a 10-band EQ in the Sony Headphones Connect app, users can tailor their sound profile to suit any genre or personal taste. Battery and connectivity long-lasting and reliable. Battery life remains a strong suit, 30 hours with ANC on and 40 hours without. With quick charging, a mere 3-minute charge delivers up to 3 hours of playtime, perfect for spontaneous listening. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures stable connections up to 10 meters, even through light obstructions. Quick pairing with Android devices is seamless. Just power on and your phone auto detects the headphones. Dual device support via multi-point connection also works flawlessly, letting you switch between your laptop and phone without hassle. Verdict: the Sony WH-1000XM6 takes everything great from its predecessors and improves on it, with foldable design, unmatched noise cancellation, luxurious comfort, and studio-level sound, all at $455. It cements its place as the new gold standard for wireless headphones.